SmartStart. Understanding AI mobile app builders and what happens to your small business information. Welcome to SmartStart. The SmartStart goal is to help small business owners understand how AI mobile app building tools work, what small business data gets stored, and the technology questions that come with AI-generated mobile apps. What that means for the small business's ownership, security, and long-term control. Part 1. How AI app builders work. When you use an AI app builder for a small business, instructions are typed in. Example, I want customers to be able to schedule appointments. I need a login system so customers can see their order history. iMobile app building tool generates the code, the programming language that makes the mobile app run, following the instructions. Here is the key point: the small business instructions, the small business design choices, and sometimes the entire AI tool-generated code of the small business mobile app is stored on the AI mobile app building tool provider's servers. This means the small business idea, the way the small business chooses to design the mobile app, is not only turned into code, it is saved and managed outside the small business's control. The small business is purchasing the ability to customize, instruction and design a mobile app owned by the AI code-generating tool provider. Part 2. What information gets stored? When a small business uses an AI mobile app building tools, several types of small business data information is usually stored. Small business inputs the text typed in, describing what the mobile app should do. Small business customizations the layout, navigation, and business-specific steps the small business adds to the mobile app design. iMobile app generated code. The AI app builder tool provider's system often keeps the code. Important: some AI mobile app builder tool providers also use small businesses' inputs to train their AI tool to help other small businesses use the AI tool. Part 3. Technology, storage and ownership. If the AI mobile app generating tool provider stores the small business mobile app design and code, the small business may not truly own it. App generating tool. Many AI app generating tool providers don't let the small business take the mobile app to another provider. The small business purchased the ability to customize a mobile app, not the actual mobile app. Security. If small business's customer data flows through the mobile app, names, emails, or payments, the security depends on the AI app generating tool provider, but the small business is responsible for ensuring legal standards are met when anyone is using a mobile app the small business promotes. Your mobile app can be built to directly integrate with your current small business system for private customer data. As the small business represented by the mobile app, the small business is responsible for protecting customers submitting requested private information. Compliance. If an AI app generating tool provider built and owns the mobile app, the small business is responsible for ensuring any legal compliance for the small business. Examples: payment rules, PCI standards, privacy laws, GDPR in Europe, CCPA in California. Industry rules, HIPAA for healthcare, FedRAMP for government contracting. Maintenance. Mobile apps need updates every time phones change their systems. Typically, like any software purchase made by the small business, the chosen provider should have procedures in place. Part 5. Practical business questions to ask. When considering any AI app builder tool, treat it like a small business decision. Ask these questions. Where is the small business mobile app code and design stored? Does the AI app generating tool provider use the inputs to train the AI tool, or are the inputs private? Who owns the AI tool generated code and small business's customer data? Who is responsible for keeping the small business mobile app updated and secure? Does the small business mobile app meet compliance standards? Part 6. The SmartStart Message AI Mobile App Generating Tool. As a small business owner, the key is to understand exactly what happens to the small business data information before making a decision. The technology may be new, but the principle is old. If you don't control your small business tools, the tools control the small business. AI mobile app builders let the small business describe what it wants. An AI tool generates a small business mobile app. Every instruction, every customization, and often the code itself is stored and managed outside the small business control. That creates a shared environment of ownership, security, compliance, and long-term control. SmartStart's goal is to give small business the knowledge to recognize these risks clearly, so a small business decisions that protect the small business. Be sure to check out SmartStart other tutorials on AI tools, cloud storage, and employee personal cell phone use for more ideas on how modern technology can be used correctly for small business operations.